Hello. Welcome to another video from our channel. Here you will have tips and information on how to stay strong and healthy both physically and mentally, increasing your disposition, your stamina, and your immunity. Together we will be unveiling the secrets of how to benefit from everything that nature provides us to achieve our goal of enjoying a healthy life. Pumpkin seeds have several health benefits, helping to improve brain and heart function, promoting gut health and reducing inflammation in the body caused by various diseases. These benefits are due to the fact that pumpkin seeds are rich in good fats, fiber, antioxidants, vitamins E, A and C and minerals like iron and magnesium. Another way to get omega-3 if you don't like fish is to eat pumpkin seeds. These essential fatty acids are good allies for the heart. This is because it lowers bad cholesterol, LDL, and increases good cholesterol, HDL, avoiding problems such as the accumulation of fat in the arteries that can lead to a heart attack. It also contains unsaturated fats that prevent cardiac arrhythmias and prevent blood clots. Pumpkin seeds contain large amounts of magnesium. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in magnesium, a mineral that brings many benefits to our body. Firstly, it helps to energize the body, so it is very suitable for people who exercise. It also assists in many chemical reactions, promoting good hormone function and potassium, sodium, and calcium balance. Not to mention that magnesium acts on the central nervous system to prevent insomnia, depression, and anxiety. Antioxidant role: antioxidants prevent our body from getting large amounts of free radicals. Thus, it finally prevents cellular oxidation that can lead to very serious problems like cancer or other minor but still unhealthy problems like premature aging. That is why antioxidants are considered very good for the skin and are recommended by nutritionists and dermatologists. Finally, they also make the immune system more resilient and less susceptible to disease. Contains vitamins A, E and B complex. Like any good organic food, pumpkin seeds are rich in vitamins A, E and B complex. The former is not only good for skin elasticity but also promotes hair vitality and improves vision. On the other hand, vitamin E is known to be a powerful antioxidant, and the B complex offers a variety of health benefits. Among them, we can mention the prevention of diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Anemia, because it contains iron. Magnesium is not the only mineral found in high amounts in pumpkin seeds, because iron is also abundant in this food. Therefore, iron prevents anemia and strengthens the immune system because it is responsible for transporting oxygen to the cells of the body. Pumpkin seeds can help you lose weight. Pumpkin seed benefits. The top 11 health benefits of pumpkin seeds include: Number 1. Promotes relaxation and promotes well-being. These seeds are rich in magnesium and tryptophan, substances that act at the brain level to help fight excessive stress, fatigue, and stimulate memory. Number 2. Weight loss. Pumpkin seeds are high in fiber, promote satiety, reduce the amount of food you eat each day, take in fewer calories and promote weight loss. Number 3. It helps to increase muscle mass. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of protein, so if your goal is to gain muscle mass, it might be interesting to include them in your diet, and can be included in salads, smoothies, yogurts, cereals, and snacks. Number 4. Somatic cell protection. Due to their high content of antioxidants such as carotenoids and vitamin E, pumpkin seeds help protect the body's cells from the effects of free radicals, reduce inflammation, and reduce the risk of some types of cancer, such as stomach, prostate, colon, and breast. Number 5. Reduces inflammation. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of omega-3s, which have anti-inflammatory effects against stress or disease processes that can cause inflammation in the body, protect the body from cardiovascular and brain disease, and improve memory and the memory. Number 6. improves prostate and thyroid health. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, an important mineral for boosting the immune system and regulating thyroid function. Several studies have found that daily use of these seeds can help reduce symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia and improve quality of life. Number 7. Helps fight intestinal parasites. The seeds have been used as a home remedy for intestinal parasites due to their antiparasitic and anthelmintic properties, and can be used by both children and adults. Number 8. Fight anemia. Pumpkin seeds are a great vegetable source of iron, which helps fight anemia and can also be consumed by vegans and vegetarians to increase iron levels in the body. Some food sources of vitamin C can promote absorption in the gut, so it's important to take them with pumpkin seeds. Foods rich in vitamin C include oranges, tangerines, papayas, strawberries, and kiwis. Number 9. Soothe stomach aches. Pumpkin seeds help relieve abdominal and menstrual cramps because they contain magnesium, a mineral that works to reduce menstrual cramps by reducing muscle contraction and nerve activity. Number 10. Take care of your heart health. These seeds contain phytosterols, magnesium, zinc, good fatty acids and omega-3 that help maintain heart health, providing cardioprotective effects by helping to regulate blood pressure, reduce cardiovascular risk, lower cholesterol, and regulate blood sugar. Number 11. Blood sugar control. Being rich in fiber and magnesium, pumpkin seeds help control blood sugar levels, which is very important for diabetics and obese people with insulin resistance or hyperinsulinemia. It is important to mention that to get all the benefits of pumpkin seeds, you need to include them in your healthy diet and exercise regularly. Pumpkin seeds can be consumed pure, increasingly included in salads or used in recipes, and can also be crushed, for example. You can also find pumpkin seed oil at health food stores and online, which also has many health benefits. And then? Did you like this content? Was it relevant? Added more value and knowledge? Post here in the comments and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any notifications. Share with friends and relatives so that more people have access to this content. Leave your like, so YouTube understands that this information is relevant and makes it reach more people, so that everyone enjoys more health. Live a full life, face your challenges with faith, eat right, move with joy and walk hand in hand with happiness. Until the next video.